Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. If you're not, then hey girl, hey, you know the vibes. So tonight I wanted to make a look, or like do like an eyeshadow look using my NYX Ultimate palette, and this palette is really colorful. It's like taste the rainbow.
Touch the rainbow, taste the rainbow.
This is like all these kettles. Yeah, it's the good stuff. And I'm a really colorful person, but sometimes you can get stuck in like, you know, the little monotonous rut of like the safe nudes and stuff like that. So I wanted to challenge myself to make like looks using this. Even if it's not the only palette that I use like neutrals from another palette. Like I use my Morphe Rose to Fame, and then I use the colors from this one. So tonight I wanted to do a red look, and as you can see on camera, this red looks really vibrant, like blood red, but when it comes off, it actually gives more like a deep maybe like burgundy type look, and it was a bit surprising, a little bit jarring, so I decided to pair it off with the other pink that's right next to it, and I thought that this look was absolutely beautiful. So if you want to see how I got this look and how I got the lip look, and you know, everything that I use on my channel is always like budget friendly, budget adjacent, and Morphe may be like the most expensive item that I have on here, and it's not even like that expensive because this is a small 6-9 piece palette. So stay tuned.